Hi everyone, Marian here. I'm back today with a new video, and this one is going to be decluttering the junk spaces in my kitchen. So generally in my kitchen, I try to keep it pretty minimal and organized, and most of the cabinets, I'll show you guys a few, are super organized and I love how they look, but I have a few like junk spaces in the kitchen, which I actually have found to be a little bit helpful. So things where I'm like, oh, I don't know where to put this, but I want to tidy up the kitchen, I'll just throw it in there. But every so often, it's time to clear those out. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I got some organization, like little bucket thingies from Home Goods that I'm hoping will help. And yeah, so if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I make videos about being a Jewish mom, motherhood, cleaning, organizing, all stuff like that. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. All right, let's get into it. So first I'm gonna show you guys the clean, nice cabinets that most of my kitchen is filled with. Okay, so in this top row of cabinets, for example, this is where we keep all our dishes and nice like china. So I buy mostly white stuff. I think it all looks nice. So up there is like crystal glasses that we got for our wedding, and teacups. That's all like our fancy china set. And then everyday mugs, everyday dishes, which I just ran the dishwasher, so we're running a little bit low, and some like nice teas and stuff. So that's like a typical organized cabinet in my kitchen, just how I like it. And then over here we've got my messy cabinet. So this is where I had been starting to keep all my son's stuff. So it was like all the baby spoons and bibs and sponges, and then I started keeping like snacks that he likes in here so that, you know, it wouldn't get mixed up with ours and like we wouldn't eat them all. And I tried to put in like a little bin to store stuff, but as you can see, it's a total mess. Then the other junk spot I want to work through today is this messy junk drawer. So this is another catch-all in the kitchen. I've got bed and bath coupons, sticky notes, glue stick, there's some baby Tylenol in there, iPhone chargers, you get it. It's a mess. So let's clean it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of the drawer. I really want to sort through and make sure that I'm only keeping stuff I really want to stay in this drawer, and then getting rid of everything that I don't need to be in here. Okay, now that this drawer is empty, I'm going to take this opportunity to wipe the surface and clean it out. And I'm just using these e-cloths I buy at Home Goods, and my homemade cleaning spray, which is just vinegar and water. I don't like to use chemicals too much in my house, so that's what I'm using. I'm just going to wipe out this drawer. Okay, now that the surface is clean, I'm going to close it for a minute and focus on what all is in this drawer, and I'm going to sort it into 3 piles. One is trash, the second is stuff that's going to stay in this drawer, and the third is stuff that needs to go elsewhere in the house. Okay, so these are the drawer organizers. I think I got them at Home Goods. I can't remember. They're by a brand called Made Smart, and yep, time to organize. Okay, so this is the newly organized junk drawer. I just have my notepad over here, pens, pencils, that kind of stuff over here, the tech bag with my iPhone charger, an extra thing of matches, and then my business cards, some other random cards in the back, and little tools over there, and then I just have the CPR and breast milk guide in the back, and that is it. Hopefully I'll be able to keep it like this. I know it will get junky again because it is the junk drawer, and I'd rather have stuff in this drawer than making a mess on the counter, but I'm really happy with clearing it out and making a new start. Okay, now it's time for the junk cabinet. So once again, it's time to take everything out. Okay, now that it's all cleaned out, time to wipe it down. Okay, so this is the mess we have left. These bins actually never fit in this cabinet, and I was just using them, thinking I would get new ones and never did, so it's time. So once again, I'm going to sort everything into 3 piles of keep, trash, and move elsewhere in the house. Okay guys, so I just took everything out and wiped the surfaces down, and I realized that actually almost nothing in that cabinet needed to stay there. So much of it was stuff from like when my son was first eating solid foods, like a bunch of bibs that we don't use anymore. I used to make him homemade like veggie and fruit pouches, and he's way too old for pouches now. Actually, I know some kids use them like way later in life, but my son has just never really liked them that much. Yeah, so there's a bunch of that. And there was a bunch of dog food. We have all our dog stuff somewhere else in the house now. I did keep on one of the top shelves some of our like outdoor entertaining stuff, so I kept that up there. And I have these 2 new plastic bins from Home Goods that I'm gonna put in to organize what's left. And yeah, let's do it. Okay, so this is the organized cabinet. The top shelf is actually empty. The second shelf is some outdoor like candles and speakers. We don't use too much because it's not the summer right now. And in this shelf I have all my son's plates and things. I'll link this one down below. It's my favorite. It's made with bamboo. That's one we use most of the time. And then just bibs and extra things, like this is a little tea thing, chew thing that I can throw in there. And then this shelf is just snacks for him. So yeah, that's it. So I'm all done with the junk drawer declutter and organization. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.